Hi everyone. Sorry about my voice. I have sinus. So, in some of my skincare videos, when I talk about skincare routine, the steps involved when it comes to skincare routine, I use serum in some of those videos, and most of you sent me a message and you want me to talk a little bit more about serum. You want to know what serum is. So in this video, I'll be telling you why you need face serum in your skincare routine. For those of you that don't know what face serum is, I will tell you what the benefits are, why you should incorporate it in your skincare routine, and the most important thing is how to use it. Okay, I will also talk about, when it comes to specific skincare issues, what kind of serum you should buy. There are so many of them out there in the market, but you need to buy the one that are specifically for your skincare issues while you're using it. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, welcome. It's good to have you here. My name is Chika Kelly. I'm a certified esthetician and I talk about skincare in this channel. I teach you how to look after your skin. Okay, so if you like what you're watching, don't forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button and subscribe, and also the bell button, the notification bell when you're subscribing, to keep you up to date on what is happening on my channel. Okay, and for those of you, for my returning viewers, welcome back. Thank you so much for your support. So what exactly is face serum? Face serums are lightweight moisturizer that have high concentration of active ingredients, and these ingredients, when you use it on the face, it helps to target your specific skincare issues. Okay, your specific skincare concerns. So face serums are used to tackle or to treat your specific skincare concerns, and this is why it's very crucial that you incorporate face serums in your skincare routine, because it has high concentration of nutrients and it has high concentration of vitamins that help to lock in moisture. So when you put your face serum and you put your moisturizer, it actually helps your moisturizer to stay longer on your skin and to work really well, okay, for whatever skincare issues that you're targeting. Now, most serums comes in gels, and they come in oils, and they come in creams. Okay, and before you go out to buy your serum, okay, it's very important. This is what you should look out for. Before you go out to buy your serum, you need to buy the one that suits your skin type, and you need to buy the one that suits your skin needs. Okay, so most of the skincare issues that face serum helps to tackle is like the likes of signs of aging, fine lines and wrinkles. There are serums for that. There are serums that helps to brighten dull looking skin. There are serums that treat uneven skin tone, the likes of hyperpigmentation, dark spots, blackheads. So there are different serums for different skin issues. Sometimes too, most people use it just to keep the skin glowing. Okay, I love face serum. I can't see myself putting moisturizers without face serum. Now, what are the benefits? Why do you have to use it? Why must you use face serum? Why must you use it on your face? Now, for example, this is one of my face serums. I have different ones. This is niacinamide serum. Okay. And the reason I use this is because I use it to treat. Sometimes when I break out, most times everyone breaks out once in a while, so I use it. I also like it because it helps to keep my skin looking young and prevents the formation of fine lines and wrinkles. And niacinamide is very good when it comes to hydration. So I use it mostly for hydration to keep my skin looking bright, firm. Okay. Now, most of the things that serum treats, most of the skin issues that serum treats are the likes of serum helps to treat uneven skin tone, like I mentioned before. Serum helps to keep your skin very hydrated, but you need to get the one that is meant specifically for whatever skin concerns that you're trying to treat. Okay. Hyperpigmentation, I mentioned earlier, serum helps to treat that. Serum helps to boost the formation of collagen production, because collagen is what keeps your skin glowing and firm and looking young. Okay, serum helps the formation of collagen. Now, when you're looking for your serum, what are the ingredients that you should look out for in your serums? You need to look out for serums that have active ingredients, the likes of vitamin A, the likes of hyaluronic acid, ceramides. I just showed you one here, niacinamide, vitamin C. Okay, so these are active ingredients that will really help to treat uneven skin tone, to improve the formation of collagen, and to keep your skin very bright, young looking, treat your dark spots. All this serum with these ingredients, they work really well. How do you use your serum? If you check this video up here, is a skincare routine step by step on how to do your skincare routine. Okay, and you usually use your serum after cleansing and toning your face. Then you apply your serum, okay, before your moisturizer. Your serum should always go before your moisturizer, so your moisturizer should be after you apply your serum. And when you apply your serum, make sure you apply it and you massage it and get it all absorbed into your skin. It can take you you can wait for 1 or 2 minutes afterwards before you put your moisturizer. Let the serum go in, let it absorb into your skin, and your skin will truly change. Okay, make it your regular routine. Put it in your skincare routine. If you don't have it, go grab one for yourself and come back and thank me for it. Okay. I'm just joking. I hope I've given you all the information that you need to know about serum, or if you need me to talk about any other ingredients that you're not very familiar with, let me know. Leave your comment below in the comment section. And once again, sorry about my voice, I have sinus. Okay, all right, don't forget to like it, click the like button and like, and if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and subscribe and become part of this family. Okay, I hope you found this video very helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.